Untitled Describe Image questions. There are certain Describe Image questions that give nightmare to the students in PT exam, and I'm going to show you how exactly I scored 90 in them. My name is Rubal, your PT coach from ptmocktest.com. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe us so that we can produce more tutorials for you. Now, there are certain Describe images where students struggle to speak the right answer. Even they don't know where to start specifically and what to speak. So, I will be attempting these difficult Describe images for you, and I'm going to use this template for all the Describe images. This is our first image. My topic for this image will be about hand movements, because here I can see different hand movements. Okay, so hand movements. So I'm going to write it short forms. And keywords will be about right in green color, hands, keyboards, wrong in red color. Based on these keywords, I'm going to insert it into my template. And my answer will be about the image gives information about hand movements. On the screen, I can see right in green color. On the screen, I can see many keyboards. On the screen, I can see hands are touching directly the keyboards. That's the right way. And if the hands are tilted, it's the wrong way. On the screen, I can see various colors like red, green, black, brown. Overall, this image is very informative and organized. See, if we make simple sentences, it's very easy to maintain the fluency. So always make simple sentences to get full scores in Describe image. Now I'm going to try the second image. Here, this one will be my topic. So topic is usually given as your heading and title. If not, just see what's happening in that image, and based on that, we can also make any of the topic. So here now, most of the students are confused as it's having lots of data. So simple keywords I'm going to pick up as about height in centimeters without shoes, weight in kilograms, and BMI 30, 25, 18.5, obese, overweight, underweight. So these are going to be my keywords. And based on these topic and keywords, my answer will be the image gives information about aim for a healthy weight, BMI chart for adults. On the screen, I can see height in centimeters without shoes, 140 centimeters to 200 centimeters. On the screen, I can see weight in kilograms without shoes from 30 to 150 kg. On the screen, I can see obese, overweight, underweight. On the screen, I can also see BMI 30, BMI 25 and 18.5. Overall, this image is very informative and organized. So you don't need to explain everything, okay? Like what's going to be the number here, and pick up easy words, easy keywords that you can easily speak it comfortably. So always go for simple sentences, simple vocab words. Type of decay will be my topic for this image, and keywords. There are plenty of number of neutrons, number of protons, beta positive, beta negative, fission, alpha, neutron, unknown. Now, based on these keywords, I can speak it up, any of it. Sometimes it also gets confusing, okay? Whether it should be 126, 82, what's happening here? We don't know. So, go for the simple keywords. Based on these keywords and topic, my answer will be, the image gives information about type of decay. On the screen, I can see number of neutrons from 6 to 126. On the screen, I can also see number of protons from 6 to 82. On the screen, I can see beta positive in orange color. On the screen, I can see beta negative in blue color. On the screen, I can also see fission, proton, unknown. Overall, this image is very informative and organized. Choose simple words that will definitely give you full marks in Describe image. Now, let's practice this one. Now, here, we don't have any of the keywords, right? Only the pictures are there. So, based on this picture, my topic will be about simple circuit with light. This is going to be my topic. And here, this is the bulb. I can use this keyword. This is a battery, as well as it's having two colors, like it's a golden one, it's a black, and also we have red arrows. So these are going to be my keywords for this image. Now, based on this information, and I'm going to insert these keywords in the template now. Based on these keywords, my answer will be, the image gives information about simple circuit with light. On the screen, I can see bulb, which is of white color. On the screen, I can see battery, which is of golden and black color. On the screen, I can see red arrows. On the screen, I can see battery is connected with both positive and negative ends with the bulb. On the screen, I can see many colors such as white, red, black, golden. Overall, this image is very informative and organized. Next question. Now this is going to be my topic. Keywords, there are different shapes of moon. This one is your full moon, red color. This is sea, or you can say water level. Whatever words comes to your mind on the spot, so pick up that one. Fishes and surface, water. These are going to be my keywords. Based on this information, my answer will be: the image gives information about lunar and fish. On the screen I can see moon, which is of red color. On the screen I can see surface. On the screen I can see bottom. On the screen I can see many fishes. In the first picture on the screen I can see the fishes were settled at the bottom. When there is a full moon, fishes were all over in the sea. Overall, this image is very informative and organized. There isn't any mention of any single keyword up here. So, but from the screen we can see that there is a kind of lab experiment. So I'm going to choose my topic as lab experiment. So just make short form while you're making the note for in your preparation time of 25 seconds. So keywords, what we can see up here: I can see beaker with a blue chemical. I can see stand. This is my stand. I can see teacher. I can see notebook up here. I can see petri dish. I can see two male staff members, or two male students, sorry, not staff members, two female students, and everyone is wearing lab coats, eyewears. So we have plenty of keywords for this one. It's not necessary to write everything, or it's not necessary to speak everything. Only the words which you are able to speak comfortably. Now, based on these keywords, my answer will be: the image gives information about lab experiment. On the screen, I can see teacher. On the screen, I can see chemical, blue color chemical with beaker. On the screen I can see stand. On the screen I can see two male and female students. On the screen I can see everyone is wearing white coat. Overall, this image is very informative and organized. Now one last question. Here as well, no keywords, but what's happening here? My topic is about a cabin. Keywords, what I can see here: snow, mountains, windows, green grass. So based on these keywords, my answer will be: the image gives information about the cabin in the mountains. On the screen I can see cabin is of grey color. On the screen I can see there are many windows on the cabin. On the screen I can see snow all over the place. On the screen I can see mountains. Mountains are covered with snow. On the screen I can see grass. Overall, this image is very informative and organized. See, it's very easy if we just note down the keywords. Make sure you utilize your preparation time really well. That will definitely help you to maintain the fluency, as well as just looking at the picture, whatever words comes to your mind first, use those words and make this answer easily understandable to the computer. But pronunciation should be clear. Now, you can practice this question. Take screenshot of them. Practice this question and send your answers on the WhatsApp number, and we will give you the feedback on it. But don't forget to subscribe us. Well, that's wrap for today. If you found our video informative, don't forget to subscribe us and hit the bell icon for more latest videos. This will really help us to produce more content. My name is Rubal and this is PTE Mock Test.com.